Having received my brand new Fear of God Essentials Spring Summer 2022 pieces in, I think it best I do a separate video for just the knit hoodies because they are quite different and I actually like them a lot more. The knit hoodie from the brand new Spring Summer 2022 collection was purchased from Mr. Porter, and I absolutely love the detailed and elevated packaging he offers. I chose wheat, but you also have iron, which is the black for the 1977 print knit hoodie. First thoughts, as soon as you open the packaging, this is the softest hoodie I own. Hands down, this knit is extremely soft. What's really different, of course, the raw rolled hem instead of the traditional cuffed hem that we've seen on previous tops. We have the essential silicone branding in the darker iron colorway, and I mean just the softness of the hoodie itself. Now, here's the hoodie compared to last year's knit hoodie. There's a big difference in feel. The 1977 knit hoodie in wheat, and I have nothing but great things to say about it. Now, I'm wearing a size small, size reference. I'm 5'6", 127 pounds.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back with another video on Talks with TJ, and I'm appropriately fogged out for this video. Got the Fear of God Essentials tank from the 3-pack as well as the fitted in black. So we are set to go, and you guys just saw the brand new Fear of God Essentials Spring Summer 2022 knit hoodie in the wheat colorway with the new 1977 logo across the front. So it's different in many ways, and not only in just the actual knit pattern itself, but also how soft it is, the fit itself. So it will actually not be as wide in the body, armpit to armpit. It will actually be longer in terms of torso, shoulder to bottom hem, and the bottom hem though, because it does have that relaxed rolled look or finish, will be a little wider, like a tad bit wider. Overall though, I actually think it's a much better fit. Now, again, I'm wearing a size small in this video. I'm 5'6", 127 pounds, but I may go back for the extra small because I fully intend to pick up all of the knits. That's my goal. Now, they are on the pricier end of $130 in comparison to, let's say, the regular hoodies, the relaxed hoodies, the crew necks. They will cost you a little bit more, but I think they're absolutely worth it. And one thing I love about the seafoam knit, it has like zero branding, it has absolutely nothing there. So I'm very excited about having that in the collection. I think I will go back and get the black knit hoodie, which is also, it also features the 1977 branding on the front. So yeah, that may need to happen. I'm just saying, like, I'm letting everyone, I'm letting you know. I am in love with the brand new knit. So matter of fact, let's go ahead and see a full side-by-side of myself and the current knit hoodie, and then also the previous Essentials knit hoodie. To repeat my measurements for size reference again, I'm 5'6", 127 pounds, wearing the small in the brand new Fear of God Essentials Spring Summer 2022 knit hoodie in the wheat colorway. I own 3 of the previous knit releases from Fear of God Essentials. On the right, you're seeing the Heather Oatmeal in a size small, and on the left, the brand new knit hoodie from the Spring Summer 2022 drop. By personal preference, I like the kangaroo pouch removed from the brand new hoodie. I honestly think it just gives it a better seamed line appeal and will fit better when layered under a jacket. Because there isn't a cuff at the bottom, it flows away from the body a little bit more than I think last year's knit hoodie does. Even on the models, the sleeves are quite baggy and oversized, and that's the exact same thing here. As you can see, there's a lot of extra material down by my wrists. I'm not sure if the hood size matters to anyone, but the hood, at least to me, seems larger on the brand new knit versus last year's knit. Overall, I'm just a bigger fan of the brand new design. I don't dislike last year's design. I think it still works really well in my wardrobe, but if you're giving me the choice, I'll have to go with the brand new knit pieces, and hopefully we see some with less branding similar to the seafoam one that's also available right now. So now that you've seen the difference, go ahead and comment below which one is your favorite, the older version of the knit hoodie or the brand new version of the knit hoodie. And to me, again, I just think this actually is elevated a little bit more in terms of the execution of the knit pattern itself. It's so soft. I mean, it's insanely soft on your skin, and I love that. And I'm not ready to jump ship and just say, hey, I will sell all of my older knits. But if we get, let's just imagine, if we get like the core collection colors and these new knits, then yeah, I will sell my old ones. Now, granted, you don't have the kangaroo pocket in the front, but I think that's actually what elevates this a little bit more to where you could wear it seamlessly, literally and figuratively, let's say with a hoodie or even an overcoat, or not a hoodie, sorry, with a, let's say, sport jacket or an overcoat or a denim jacket, because you don't have to worry about the kangaroo pouch, which does add just some extra material there in the front. So I really like the more seamless, polished look on the front of the brand new knit hoodie, but I'm super curious to hear your thoughts on it. Did you go for any of the knit pieces? Some of you probably did not, because like the name says, it's the spring summer 2022 collection. Therefore, you thought, well, I'm gonna buy a knit piece so that I can wear it when next fall. Yeah, that's what's gonna probably happen. It still has some weight to it, so no, this is not like an airy spring summer knit piece. That's not what this is. Someone, I think, asked the question or posed the question on Instagram. Oh, I'm going to Hawaii next week. Like, would this be good to order and wear there? Probably not. You're on an island. It's going to be quite hot. So I don't know that I would wear a knit piece there on the island from this collection. It's just, I don't think it's made for that. However, it's extremely soft, very comfortable. I love the fit. Again, it definitely does have that oversized fit. It's long in the arms, at least for myself, only being 5'6". So I think I'll go for the extra small, quite possibly, in at least the brand new seafoam colorway I plan to pick up. I don't know when that's happening. Maybe end of April, maybe end of May. I'm not sure. We know I have a lot going on in April. Responsible. The goal is to make sure everything is set and in place for my tattoo. That's already scheduled for early May. So that being said, again, leave your thoughts on the brand new Fear of God Essentials knit hoodie from the spring summer 2022 collection with 1977 across the front in the wheat colorway. Size reference again before we close out. I'm 5'6", 127 pounds, and I ordered the size small. I appreciate you guys always. I will have a full video for the hoodie, both sweatpants, and then I also have the fearofgod.com items shipped, so I'll have those for you too. Not in that video, but an upcoming video. All right, as always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace. A big thank you if you stuck around to the very, very end of the video. I said there was more to see, and here we have two very simple looks, monochromatic, for the wheat colorway and the knit hoodie and the relaxed sweats. On the left, it's a seamless look with the Fear of God California in the oat colorway, which pairs very well with the wheat. But then also on the right, the Fear of God skate mid. So please comment below which pair you prefer with this look. Thanks again.